Welcome to Get in the Know with ELO. In this presentation, you will learn about why you need an enterprise content management system. We create a lot of data and documents every day. This includes things like writing emails, putting together tenders, or sending draft contracts to suppliers. And of course, all this information is stored in different places when we need to access it later. Businesses make use of or act on this information, and so it's extremely important that people are able to access it on demand, like when they need to send invoices to suppliers. Not only do invoices have to be stored for a specific period of time by law, other information is required also, such as how was the invoice created? Is there a related order reference or any other correspondence? Who approved the invoice? Has the invoice already been paid? All this information needs to be on hand so that we can access it easily whenever we need it. But almost 8% of the information and documents we generate are never found again. There are different reasons for this. Sometimes people forget where the information was stored, or maybe it wasn't stored in the right place, or someone deleted it by mistake. But let's assume for now that the information is still available somewhere. Once we've created a document or some other piece of information, we can save it either on our ERP system, or on a server, or on an external storage device. And this brings us to our next problem, because even though we know we saved it, it's possible that when we need it again, we won't remember exactly where we stored it, and that's when we have to start searching for it. It's been estimated that we spend around 19% of our work time searching for and gathering information. One reason for this is that we have to look in different places because data can be stored in an ERP system, while documents and files might be on a file server or on our own computers. Another cost factor is the cost of storing those documents in the first place. A third is the cost of reproducing documents if they are lost. Put this together, and the average small to mid-sized company will save over $600,000 a year just by implementing enterprise content management. A system where you can store documents as well as add information to them makes your daily work a lot easier. If you're putting together an offer for a customer, you can enter important information that is saved with the document, such as the document type, which is a proposal in this case, but also who the offer is for, when the document was created, and of course the price. This information makes it easier to find the document later on. It also allows us to automate specific tasks, like notifying a colleague or setting ourselves a reminder for any deadlines. The ELO ECM suite can do all this and more. You can also add metadata to documents. And by the way, metadata just means information about a document. It's also called tagging sometimes. Now I'm going to switch over to some short demonstrations of the functions in the ELO ECM suite.